Hey, we're here at this chicken nugget challenge. We just finished tiffin. Me and Caden are on the same team. We're about to win this.
I don't know what you talk about. Me and Luke are about to win this.
You and Luke, if they finish, I'm gonna be surprised.
He's going all the way. Tony, any final words before we start?
I'm about to win.
You're about to win? That's what everyone else has said.
No, like, they don't know how underrated I am.
Are you that confident?
Just because I eat so much. I just, I'm not big because I lose weight.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's how
I
I
get
get
the W.
Bro, just shotgun ketchup. Cheater alert! This boy eating. This boy eating early. This boy eating early.
Hey Dylan, anything you want to say before you start?
You're gonna win. Both teams going down. Me and Luke are very hungry boys.
You confident you're gonna get that W?
Yeah, we can get this W, man.
David, what do you have to say?
76 nuggets, 3 large fries, and 3 large cokes, and a fly. I think it's gonna hurt.
Can you get sub 2 minutes?
Yeah. We haven't even eaten our food yet. Like we haven't eaten anything.
All right, eaters, are you ready? On your seat, get set, go. I need to see the sauce choices. Okay. Oh, ranch. Is there a barbecue? Thank you. Yeah, don't stop. Just slow you down. Don't forget the cheese. Hold on. Oh, ranch. No sauce for you? Where's the third one?
I had to fuck on that.
Your mouth is way bigger than I imagined it was. This would explain why you have those penetrable cheeks. Do not throw up.
He needs napkins.
I apologize.
Oh look, Tony's going hard right over here. Come on, Tony.
I got the napkin. I'm going straight.
Caden's like, I'm gonna 5 cigar arches.
You guys gotta pick it up. Come on.
You need to eat the fries too.
I think so. But they're cheated, so
Bro, they cheated them.
yeah.
Try the other one.
It's comeback. You gotta come back.
Only is a force to be reckoned with. He really, truly is.
Damn, Will's almost done.
Despite the fact that it's on your head.
Come on, Kane, pick it up.
Don't laugh, they're holding.
Luke, a fry literally went flying out of your mouth.
Is that McDonald's, right? What happened? It's like a crime scene.
This man Will's almost done. Oh, Kane's almost done too. Noah finished his. You finished your McNuggets? Oh, he's got a few more.
We're out here. Come on. Get the fucking flower, bro.
Watch your language. I heard that.
Out here.
I heard the F.
We're out here. My cheeks hurt.
You're at 6 minutes.
Thank you. Bust up. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up.
You gotta keep it down. Last nugget.
My mom's looking through. All right, 9:40.
Yeah, wait on kid.
You got this, kid. Lock in. Sub 10.
Under 10 minutes. Wait, are you still swallowing?
Boom!
All right, 9:52.
We did it, baby. I told you we would, and we did. Undefeated Nugget eaters. Come on.